Hello, I'm Corey with No More Tire Changers. I'm going to do a tire change on this carbon fiber 17-inch wheel, a Sportbike wheel, on our new model. It's new for 2022. This is the new No More HD Max. It grips anything from a 10-inch to a 21-inch wheel. It comes with our patented blocks as well as the posi clamps. For the Sportbike wheels, we use the blocks. To break the bead, you move the back block, the frame that's marked with a dot. What that does is center the bead breaker over the block. Set the wheel on top of the blocks. Pull the bar up. Break the bead. Lots of leverage, easy use. Hammer and wedges won't scratch the wheel. Push the tire down. Flip the wheel over. I'm going to do the other side. Break the bead. Push it down. From here, I'm going to reposition the blocks. The blocks do not need to be perfectly centered. It's best if it's close. Each one varies wheel per wheel. 2 dog blocks and a locking cam. The wheel push down, push back, catch side because I'm leaning into it still. Lock it in. You don't have to crank these things down, but you want to get them snug. From here, we use our spray. Spray is made from the lube. Directions are on the label. Use a few spoonfuls of lube, mix it with water, makes your spray. Makes removing the tire a lot easier. Just spray it from the tire and the wheel. Evenly coat it. Demounting bar. Push the tire down so you get in between the tire and the wheel. Go an angle. Work around to get down between the tire and the wheel. Give it a quarter turn, that locks it. This is a tire changing tool, not a pry bar. If I was just to pull this over right now, you're going to bend and break that tip. It's important that you push the tire down in the drop center. As you pull the bar up, and then bring it over. Set your center post. You want to lift up on that. See, there's a little bit of play. Lift up on it. Set your set screw. If I use this as a pry bar, you'll end up with a tip like this. You shouldn't have any marks anywhere but down low. This tip was improperly used. Obviously, it doesn't look quite right. So, got the bar in place. I'll lift up on the tire. Give the bar spin. Non-marking tip doesn't scratch this carbon fiber wheel. Pull my center post up. I'm going to lift the tire up. Catch the bar. A lot of times you want to lift the tire up, get it in the drop center on the opposite side. Set my center post again, lifting up on it, give it a little preload. Take this hand, lift up on the bar, give the bar spin. So I've got the tire off. To reinstall the tire, use our lube. Install the lube directly on the wheel in the drop center. All the way around. I like to put a little bit on this edge right here. And some on the back side of the tire. Inside the tire right here. Basically, as you're facing the tire, between 2 and 6. That's your high friction area. So here I'm going. Push the tire on. So to install the tire, take my bar, take the double end, push the tire down under the wheel, catch the very edge of the lip here. The demounting tool, Beekeeper. It's an accessory with some of our changers, is included with this one. Just push the tire down, slip it on. Don't need to slide it around. Set the center post, again preloading it. If you've got a single-sided wheel, it actually go down into the cup in the frame. Otherwise, it just sits on the bearing surface. From here, I step around this side of the bar. Put the bar against my hip. Take my hand, right hand, put on the handle. Left hand. As I walk down, push the tire in the drop center. Sometimes you have to reach down and pull the tire up as well underneath. Essentially just push it with this leg. Push down, put the bar out. When removing the yellow thing, it's important, push the tire down. Don't just rip it out, you can rip the coating. Push tire down so it's unloaded and slip it out. That's a 17-inch sport bike tire on a carbon fiber wheel. Thanks for watching.